So, ito po yung ating gagawin, how to cover books. So, meron tayong materials, so scissors, scotch tape, meron tayong pentel pen, and then plastic cover. So, titignan natin muna, ganito yung ginawa ko, kung paano ko siya na-coveran ng maayos. Actually, way back elementary days, I started to do this. Ina-assist ko yung aking mother how to cover the books. And then, ginawa ko na rin ng name sa cover and given by instruction from the teacher. So, yan, lagyan ng name and then section ng bata. Ayan. So, konting lagay lang ng ating scotch tape. Hindi naman kailangan madami-dami.